Alright everybody, it is Tuesday. No, it's not Tuesday. We'll be posting this on a Tuesday. Wait, are we going to taking your car? Okay, we're taking your car? Okay, everybody, this is Quinn. Say hi, Quinn. So we're going to Miami right now. Oh wait, did you call shotgun? Okay, so we are going to Miami right now, and it's kind of a just like out of nowhere kind of adventure. Cody's with us here too. Say hi, Cody.
Hey, everybody.
We haven't seen you in the vlog in a long time.
No, it's been a minute. Let me talk to him. I've been I've been gone for a while. I don't know if this is too close or not. But hi.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, so I will see you guys in Miami. We are going to just do whatever the we want. Woo! I just hit my head on the roof.
Yeah, those bumps are big as
I hate them.
I should have fallen out of love with you by now. Welcome to MIA. I got a heart permanently out to you.
Area 31.
Okay guys, check out where we are right now. This is insane. I dropped my camera. Look at this mega yacht.
When I step on the scene, y'all know me. Cause I walk with a limp like a old school pimp or real OG. I'm rocking bands, I'm in the scene. I got a Red Bull and vodka up in my hand. Hey, you looking kinda cute. Hey.
This mega yacht just hit each other.
Your captain is ass.
Bro, that is clickbait right there. Right there, wow. Let's see if they hit again. Oh, we missed.
Yeah, I was gonna say they gotta get any crew.
Then you get someone on the dock, that's all you need to do. Look at that. That's insane. Alright, so now we're going to Miami Beach. We're getting our thing verified. Look at this hallway. Okay. Alright, what floor are we on?
And we're not even on the top floor.
Bro, this is
Imagine like 4:30.
Oh.
Dude, we went down
like
so
crazy.
fast.
So we just took some pictures there, there, and there. And now his car's gonna pull up. He actually got, which one did you bring? Oh, there it is, right there. The interior on this Bentley, it's orange.
Almost hit me.
All right, time to go home, guys. Gotta get in our yacht. All right, here's the car that we pull up in 3, 2, 1. There she is.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends. And tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my God, I got that on video. We almost died. Holy sh. Okay guys, now we are at the beach and this is where we're pretty much gonna end the trip. Our little adventure from Boca to Miami, literally an hour drive. So we're gonna end the trip here, but here's the beach. So guys, here's the beach at night. You guys can't really see anything, but I'm literally 5 feet from the shore now. Water's right there. I don't know if you can see my hand. Water's right there. All right, that's the beach. Oh, dude, that looks so cool. All right, guys, so this is not the end of the vlog quite yet. The other day, I got a tattoo my first tattoo, and here's my reaction of what I got and like of what happened. I'll explain more on why I got it maybe in another video. If you guys want to know what my tattoo is about, let me know down in the description. But here is that footage. Enjoy. I will see you guys after that footage. So yeah, here's past Cole. What's up, guys? I just made the decision that I'm going to get a tattoo right there. Ow. Right there where Kenton stabbed me again. Right there. And Kenton's also gonna get a tattoo there. Right there. And the tattoo is going to be, that will be a surprise once I'm getting the tattoo.
Should mine be a surprise or should I?
But we got a crowd with us. Say hello, crowd.
Hello.
Woo!
That was not hello.
You gotta say hi.
She said hi. Alright. But yeah, I will see you guys at the tattoo shop.
I think the camera's on.
Let's get it. No, it's on me.
Don't act like you're the center of attention.
Yeah. The world doesn't revolve around you.
It's tall.
Yeah.
Very tall. Because this, I mean, I hope it's not, but watch this end up being my last tattoo tonight, and then you gotta do double crash. So don't worry about it yet.
Yo, I didn't even know I would have forgot that part all the way. Can't be tattoo artist. I would have forgot to shave. Like right there? That's gonna be so dope, dude. That's gonna be so sick. I would recommend, but check it out in the mirror. You like it?
Yes.
I like it too. Ready? Yeah. Cool, let me get it. Dude, I flipped the image.
How old are you, dude?
I'm like 12.
Are you? Well, are you pass out? We already have one person pass out tonight, so no pressure.
How's it feel, bro?
It hurts.
No, that fucking hurts. Ooh, yeah! I don't think you want it no more. Take it back.
That hurts.
You're good, bro. You're good. Breathe. Deep breath, bro.
There you go.
Listen to your own tattoo, dog. Breathe. There you go. Dude, that looks good. I just want you to know that looks great. You let me get a close up of that, baby. That's so funny. I'm done.
That was for like 2 minutes.
Yo, that was fucking awesome.
Is that it? You're done?
Yep.
I'm sensing some hesitation. You want me to move it?
I didn't pass out.
Believe you?
Yo, it looks so clean.
You're bleeding?
Yeah, I'm bleeding. Dude, I think that's dope though. I just got a tattoo. It hurts, don't lie. Is he his like mouth? He's like this one might hurt a little bit. Just a little bit.
His face twitched.
Yeah. Just say it hurts, bro, because then you can make faces.
His mouth twitched.
His mouth is moving. That shit hurt, bro. Don't lie to me.
A little bit.
A little spicy here. A little spicy.
just remember that needle is.
Your wrap on for like.
All right, guys, we just got a freaking tattoo. This is dope. All right, here's Kenton's.
It's a longhorn skull.
He got a longhorn for his sister, and I got breathe for my anxiety. All right, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put this in. So back to whatever I was doing in the future. All right, thanks, future Cole. Thanks, past Cole. That was sweet. That hurt. That tattoo hurt so bad. I mean, everybody says it like doesn't hurt that bad, but I thought it hurt pretty bad. But yeah, if you guys want to know what my tattoo is about, let me know in the description or the comments down below. If you guys want to know what's about. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. It was really fun to make. Miami was super fun. Getting this tattoo was really crazy. Never thought I'd get a tattoo like that. Super awesome. If you guys like this video, leave a like. If you guys think I'm cool, or you guys think I'm funny, or just ugly and just wanna laugh at me, go to that red button down there, right down there. It says subscribe. Click that. And then you can see me every Tuesday. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, you have an Instagram. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's down below. I have Snapchat down below. Twitter down below. Whatever, everything's down below. Do all that sweet jazz. I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you guys on Tuesday. See ya.
Promise me no promises.